Hello and welcome to How to University's Tranquility Studio for this lesson on how to meditate peacefully. We will break down how to calm your mind and spirit and hope you take the time to meditate while learning. Whether you're new to meditation or have been practicing for a while, this video will provide you with the tools you need to meditate effectively. First, a little history lesson. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been used for thousands of years to achieve inner peace and reduce stress. In fact, it's believed that meditation can be traced back thousands of years to around 5000 BC in ancient India, as well as ancient Egypt and ancient China. It's been connected to many religious practices with Hinduism, Judaism, Sikhism, and of course, Buddhism. Today, it's become more of a common practice for mental health and stability, and has been associated with the art of yoga. With that said, let's begin our meditation. First, you will want to find a quiet and comfortable space. It could be in your room, backyard, or anywhere you feel calm, relaxed, and at peace. Make sure there are no distractions, and you won't be interrupted during your meditation. Then you will want to get into a comfortable position. You can sit on the floor, in a chair, or lie down. The important thing is to find a position that you can maintain for the duration of your meditation without feeling any discomfort. Once you're in a comfortable position, close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. As you breathe, focus on the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. Keep your attention on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. As you continue to focus on your breathing, you may notice that your mind will start to wander. This is perfectly normal. When this happens, don't get frustrated or judgmental with yourself. Instead, observe your thoughts and let them pass without giving them any attention. I'll give you some time now to focus on your breathing and thoughts. After observing your thoughts, take a moment to think of something you're grateful for. It could be anything from a beautiful sunset to the love of a family member or friend. Focusing on gratitude helps to reduce stress and anxiety, and it will also help you to appreciate the present moment. When you feel ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and gradually become aware of your surroundings. Open your eyes slowly and take a moment to stretch your body. And that's how you meditate peacefully. How do you feel? Relaxed, I hope. Remember, meditation is a practice, and the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Don't worry if you find it hard to concentrate or if your mind wanders. It's all part of the process. With practice, you'll be able to meditate for longer periods and achieve a greater sense of inner peace. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed our lesson and meditation, please subscribe to How to University's channel for more insightful lessons and tutorials. I'll see you again next time. Namaste.